everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today this is actually part 2 of planting gladiolus. As you know, I had planted gladiolus or pre-sprouted gladiolus in these isopore box. So these gladiolus bulbs are the one I stored still in my greenhouse, and these are the one I pre-sprouted, and they have sprouted really well actually. So some of them actually got mushy and rotten. That may be due to lack of, but that's okay. That was just some of them. There's still many, and also some pre-sprouts. I'm going to plant in a row back of the tomato plants. So this was just a quick update on my gladiolus bulbs. So I hope you will enjoy. So see you later in the next video. Bye.